Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Reviews. Today again we're talking about Telesin, and today I'm talking about the Telesin Powerbank for your GoPro Hero 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. According to them, all those batteries can be charged in this thing. So let's talk about it. What is it? There are many chargers out there. You can get the kind that either you put the batteries in and you plug it into the wall and it charges up. You can take it out, which is more convenient than putting it into your GoPro itself, charging through the GoPro. Or you can find the ones like this that have a power bank. I did have one. Let me show you the one I had before, or I still have this one. This is my older one. It holds 3, and it's more of a box shape, and this is more of a rectangle. There you go. Geometry works out great for me. Weight-wise, they're about the same. It just depends on what would fit in your bag easier. What do you think fits in your bag easier? I found it easier to just slid into a different slot and kind of hid away more than a big and bulky box like this. So when I went on my trip recently, I grabbed this one because it seemed to be easier and to pack. Do love how it has smooth edges like this. It makes it easier to hold and slides right in. Doesn't get caught on anything hard like that. I don't know. It just seemed to fit better. This one works fine. This one seems to be able to fit packed better. Again, you have the kind you plug in or the kind that has batteries inside that charges yourself. And this is really convenient to get something like this because you can charge on the go, especially with the GoPro. You have it in your backpack. You're out on vacation or you're skiing or whatever you're doing, you're filming, especially if you're snow skiing, because these batteries, even though we have the Enduro and the Stamina batteries that are out there that work better in cold environment, it's still a cold environment and you can kind of blow through some batteries all day skiing if you try to get a lot of stuff, footage on your helmet and stuff. This will allow you, as you're going up the chairlift, to pop open this, and you have 2 slots here. When it turns green, they are good to go. I have the Stamina batteries in here from Telesin, conveniently. Yeah, and then also you can use this as a power bank to charge your phone up too. On the back here, it has USB-C and USB-C-A. USB-C to charge device, USB-C-A to output. Make sure it says that on it. Didn't say, but and it has a nice rubber cap to put back on so it fit. All right, good to go. So that's it. It's a 10,000 milliamp. It provides 20 watt charging of your GoPro battery. It charges speeds 4 times faster than ordinary charging. So it says it's 4 times faster than putting it in your GoPro and charging the battery by itself inside the GoPro. They say it takes 2.5 hours to charge in here a GoPro battery like this from nothing to full charge. What comes with it? USB-C to USB-C comes with it. When I first got this, I had no idea why they put these in here. I was like, why are they putting these placeholders inside? These are older GoPro battery. You put an older, like a GoPro Hero 8 or a 5 or a 6 or 7, right? And they'll fit in here, and then you can charge your old GoPro batteries. So if you have like a GoPro 8 or GoPro 7 like that still, and you kind of use a 7 and a newer GoPro, this one device can work for all your batteries. Money, didn't know that. Remember, down below is the coupon code for 5% off from Telesin. Again, check Amazon and then check Telesin with the discount code, see which one's cheaper for you, and then go the best route for you. All right, that's it for this one. See you on the next one.